If messing up your drawings drives you crazy, you're gonna love this. I used to spend hours redrawing the same line over and over, fixing mistakes, smudging graphite, wasting paper. It felt like I was fighting my own art sometimes. Then I started using the XP pen Artist 12 3rd, and suddenly, drawing felt easy again. The pen feels supernatural, like real paper but smoother. The screen texture feels right, not slippery, not laggy. I can focus on what I want to draw instead of worrying about messing up. And they added this new rolling dial, which is honestly one of my favorite parts. I use it to zoom in and out or tweak my brush size without breaking my flow. No more erasing until the paper rips. Just undo and keep going. Now, I catch myself zooming my sketchbook like it's gonna fix my mistake. Yeah, I've officially gone full digital. The XP Pen Artist 12 3rd just made art feel less stressful and more fun again. It's like falling in love with drawing for the first time, but with an undo button.